In this video, we're going to be focusing on using color balance. Now, color balance allows us to change the tone of an image where the colors have been used to a different set of colors. So for example, as you can see, our image is quite red here. In this case, what we can do is if we go to image, and from here, if we go to adjustments, and if we now select color balance, and we can access this by doing a Control B as well. As you can see, we've got some options to play around with here. And from here, for example, we can adjust the midtones, the shadows of our image, and the highlights. And as you can see, these slider indicators change as you select these options. And we can also preserve the luminosity just to keep our image from becoming darker or lighter as we're adjusting these sliders. And okay, if we work with our midtones, and if we just move our sliders more towards cyan, as you can see already, our image is becoming less red and it's getting more balanced. And if we just adjust our magenta a little bit as well, and we can also play around with the yellow just here as well. And as well as that, we can adjust our shadows. So if we was just to work with our shadows a little bit, as you can see, these adjustments are also being applied. And we could even work with our highlights if we wanted to. And just to quickly show you what that looks like, we can also compare what we have here with our original, like so, by just deselecting preview. And once we're happy, we can just select OK.